What's the meaning of avoirdupois? Avoirdupois. Avoirdupois.
Avoirdupois. Avoirdupois. Avoirdupois is a system of weights used in the United States, Britain and other countries. It is based on a pound of 16 ounces and uses a variety of units such as drams, grains and hundredweights. The term avoirdupois comes from the French phrase avoirdupois, meaning goods of weight. This system is commonly used to weigh commodities such as agricultural products, metal goods, and industrial materials. Unlike the metric system, which is based on multiples of 10, the avoirdupois system is more arbitrary and can be more difficult to convert between units.